see how the work is planned and managed. Here, you can view the total hours available per day and the hours already allotted to each day. Let's select a specific day to focus on and plan the schedule for that day. Here, view the completed bookings along with the available time slots for each technician and advisor. Each booking can be opened for detailed information, and adjustments can be made to the hours allocated for each service. Effortlessly manage your bookings with an estimated handover time for each appointment. Choose between automatic technician assignment or handpick a specific technician for the job. Optimize your workflow by splitting services among multiple technicians or assigning different services to different team members, turning complex tasks into efficient group efforts. Experience seamless coordination and enhanced productivity with tailored technician assignments for every repair order. Or, for ultimate convenience, simply select Replan and let the system automatically assign the perfect technician for each task. With this feature, the right technician is matched to the right job effortlessly in just seconds, streamlining the entire process and ensuring optimal efficiency.